Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. This is the card kit for May 2024. I'm featuring this brand new stamp set called Simply Said. It's out of the 2024 to 2025 annual catalog. And this cardstock is called Basic Beige. It's a new color for us, and I love it, but it might not seem so because I'm crumpling it up today. But I am trying to warm it with my hands, and slowly I'm crumpling it up. This is just a technique that you can do to create some texture. I'm going to use this as a mat for these little mini Polaroids that I'm going to make. Actually, it's not exactly the same size as a Polaroid, but I did my best. I am using the designer series paper called Thoughtful Journey. It comes 6x6. I'm so excited to share this card kit with you all. My team gets the card kits as well, and I wanted to remind you that there is a signing bonus right now. I think you get something like 174 Canadian dollars extra in all the things. So if you join the team, and I would love for you to join my team. I'm always looking to onboard new folks, talented card makers. My team is full of talented card makers. We just did a swap. I'm amazed at the cards that I got from my team. Anyway, I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can learn a little bit more. So here is, I'm just putting adhesives on that. I think they're about 3x3, and then this little extra basic white piece. This is stamping weight paper. I'm not using the thick stuff. The thick stuff I am using for my card base. So I got this little 3x3 square, and it doesn't have a lot going on, but I'm going to use the Sentimental Park flowers with this. And of course, if you have shopped at all with Stampin' Up, you will know that there's some black line flowers somewhere in your stash. And this is an actually great idea. Just to stamp over. I'm not coloring it in. I'm just using Memento Tuxedo Black, and I am going to adhere or place these flowers just to zhuzh up that sort of plainish paper. Although you could leave it just the way it is too. Sometimes plain is good. Sometimes simplicity. These papers are absolutely gorgeous. The Thoughtful Journey is very similar to the Meandering Meadows of last catalog, and these ones have sort of there's a couple of flowers, there's a couple of grasslands like that one, and believe it or not, I rarely use this color, Cajun Craze. I'm glad I have it though, because it just pairs perfectly with the sentiment. So one sentiment says let's celebrate, and the other sentiment says happy birthday. And I'm just going to adhere though, or put dimensionals on the back of those little mini Polaroids, and you can see I'm carefully taking my Seal Plus. It does not like to go over crumpled paper, but that dry adhesive is the way to go. And I am placing that right on my card base. And I do it for, basically when you get this card kit, you get two, and they're not the same. Two cards, not the same. So go ahead and use that host code when you're shopping with me. And here we're going to place that those little Polaroids on top of the card. So I did do it in a cattywampus fashion because I like it, but you could do whatever you want with your kit. And I do want you to know I'm very thankful for anyone shopping with me or anyone that joins my team. I am so appreciative for you. You've made my tenure with Stampin' Up so wonderful, and I can't wait for another 10 years. I'm not going anywhere, folks. So very happy with this card kit, and hope you shop with me. Use the host code and you'll get one. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.